Hey guys, this is John at Team-One, and today we're going to be talking about what it's like to be a service advisor at Team-One Automotive. Thank you for your business.
Thank you, sir.
For the front office, this is where you're going to walk into the first thing that you see, and we're going to pull up your appointment in the system, and then we're going to get you checked in on our tablets. Move to electronic signatures now, that way it is on your invoice, and if you ever work with a extended warranty, for example, we already have your signature on the invoice, and we can get those claims taken care of a little bit faster. The next step is going to be physically checking in the vehicle, so let's go take a look. All right, and the next step is going to be dressing the vehicle. So we're actually going to come in here and we're going to put a plastic covering on your seat. We're going to put a paper covering on the floor mat to try to keep it as clean as possible. And then we're going to put a hang tag up in the glass so that way whenever the technicians are looking for the cars or trying to move them around, we can easily identify where to find the keys at. And for the next step, we're going to document the mileage, and then we're also going to test out the wiper blades, see how those look. And then for the next step, we're going to go up and we're going to take a picture of the windshield, make sure it's not cracked. Going to snap a picture of it, and then we're going to start taking body pictures to just document what condition the vehicle was in while it was here and when it was dropped off. And now that we've obtained the vehicle information and all of our pictures, we're going to go back up front and we're going to enter all of that into the computer and upload the pictures. For the next step, we're going to take the ticket over to dispatch. That way it can be sent to a technician. After the technicians have looked at the vehicle, it goes to our parts department to have the estimates built. They add all the parts, labor lines, and then they bring the ticket up to me in the front. When the technician is looking at the vehicle, they are going to be addressing your main concern, and they're also going to be doing what's called a digital vehicle inspection. So they're going to go through with their iPad and take pictures of all types of things on the car, mechanical, fluids, tires, brakes, and that actually all gets texted to you. But before that ever gets sent to your phone, we're going to go through and make sure that everything is nice and tidy, and we're going to color code it green, yellow, red. That way the user can easily digest exactly what's going on with the vehicle and what condition the different parts are in. We're going to open up the DVI here, and that's where we're going to go in and color code everything, and then we send it to you in the form of a text message. It's great because it shows you pictures of everything, but it doesn't have pricing. So it'll have a little button on there that you can tap on that will call me, and then I can cover pricing with you. All right, and once the work has been approved by the customer, we're going to reprint it out, and then we're going to take it back to our parts department so that way the parts can be ordered, and the ticket will go back to the technician so they can tell what's next. And sometimes if it's really busy here, there can be over 100 cars. So as you can imagine, things get a little busy. We field a lot of different phone calls, and there's going to be a lot of different responsibilities, talking to extended warranty companies, finding out the status of cars and what we can do to get them done in a quick and efficient manner, as well as making sure that everything gets done in a good time frame for the customer as well. So it can be a little bit of a busy job, but ultimately it is really rewarding being able to help people figure out what's going on with their cars, trying to break it down and explain it to them, and then ultimately finding a solution. If you guys need anything, just give us a call at 918-251-0018. We'll be able to get you on the schedule and direct you in the best way to figure out whatever you're having happen with your vehicle. If it's routine maintenance or an issue, you're going to see all types of vehicles from Ford to Ferrari. Some of our specialties are BMW as well as Mopar, but you're going to see everything from daily drivers to race cars here. So if you have a question, if you're curious if we work on your car or just need more information, feel free to give us a call at 918-251-0018. Thank you.